Hey, welcome! If you've ever wanted to make amazing videos but felt overwhelmed by the process, you're in the right place. Maybe you've tried editing before and found it confusing, or you just don't have hours to spend searching for the right footage and music. Let me show you a shortcut, using AI. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a complete pro-looking video with just a few clicks and some creativity. Whether you're a total beginner or just looking to speed up your workflow, these tools are for you. Let's dive in. First up, script writing. Don't stress if writing's not your thing. You don't need to be a professional writer to get started. Head over to any AI writing tool like ChatGPT or Jasper. These platforms are designed to help you brainstorm, outline, and even write full scripts in minutes. Just type in your topic, who your audience is, and the tone you want. Boom, instant script. You can even ask for different styles like friendly, professional, or funny depending on your project. I always tweak the result a bit so it sounds like me, but honestly, it saves a ton of time. You can add your own stories or examples to make it more personal. Next, visuals. Forget hunting endlessly for footage. No more spending hours searching for the perfect shot or image. AI-powered stock libraries like Pexels, Pixabay, or Canva can recommend images and videos that fit your script. Just paste in your text, and these tools will suggest visuals that match your story, saving you tons of time. Some tools even generate unique visuals for you. You can create custom graphics, animations, or even AI-generated art that makes your video stand out. Just paste in your script, pick your style, and let the AI suggest the perfect clips. You can preview different looks and swap out visuals with a click. Now, let's talk voiceovers. Not everyone loves being on mic, I get it. Maybe you're camera shy, or you just want a polished professional sound. AI voice generators like ElevenLabs or Murph create natural-sounding narration in seconds. You can choose from dozens of voices, accents, and languages to match your audience. Upload your script, choose a voice, and download your audio. It's that simple. You can even preview different voices before making your final pick. You can even adjust speed, pitch, or emotion to match your vibe. Want it more energetic or calm? Just tweak a slider and you're set. For editing, AI video editors are a game changer. They take care of the technical stuff so you can focus on your story. Tools like Descript or InVideo let you drop in your script, sync up your media, and trim things down super fast. You can rearrange scenes, add transitions, and even edit by just editing the text. Some even auto-generate captions and suggest background music that fits your mood. Captions make your videos more accessible and engaging. Speaking of music, there are AI music libraries like Upbeat or Artlist that help you find the perfect soundtrack. No more endless scrolling through songs that don't fit. Just set the mood, upbeat, techie, chill, and let the AI do the digging. You can filter by genre, tempo, or even the feeling you want your audience to have. Once you've got everything in place, preview your video, make any quick tweaks, and export. The whole process is faster and more fun than ever before. With these AI tools, you get a polished, share-worthy video in a fraction of the time it used to take. You'll be amazed at how professional your results look. So, whether you're making a marketing reel, a presentation, or just flexing your creativity, AI can handle the hard parts and let you focus on your message. The possibilities are endless, and you don't need expensive gear or years of experience. Give it a try, experiment, and most importantly, have fun creating. The more you play around, the better your videos will get. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like if you found this helpful. Subscribe for more tips, and see you next time.